Hi, my name is Vanessa Miller, and I am the Technology Integration Coach for the Narragansett School District in Narragansett, Rhode Island. This year, I was one of the MassCUE Classroom Grant winners, and with the funding, I was able to start and run a morning Cubo Club at our elementary school. This year, Morning Cubo Club is focused on grade 1 students, and next year we will extend that to grade 2. With this funding, I was also able to go into the kindergarten classrooms and co-teach with our kindergarten teachers to bring Kibo to our youngest students. Some of the activities that we've been able to complete this year are Your Dream Car, where students first constructed a car and decorated it, and then programmed their robot to follow courses taped around the room. The Kibo fire truck, where students brainstormed the sequence a fire truck goes through when responding to a call before programming their own Kibo fire truck to simulate the sequence. The Kibo pet, where students integrated the sound sensor. The robot had to wait for a clap to initiate the trick that students programmed their pet to complete. Our kindergarten students learned the directionals in the Hokey Pokey song and then thought about a dance they wanted their Kibo to complete. I really enjoyed seeing our students' mental model around what a robot looks like change when interacting with Kibo, this screenless bot made of wood. When working with Kibo, it did work best to put students into pairs and combine different curricula from KinderLab, from coding as another language and lessons found online, and adapting them to each of the grade levels. What I like best about the available KinderLab curriculum is that it builds on the prior skills from year to year. So I look forward to continuing to use this with our students next year.